Evan, I'm concerned about Mr. Paul's progress in physiotherapy. He seems to be struggling with the exercises, and his mobility hasn't improved significantly.
That's interesting. Have you tried adjusting the exercises or using different techniques, Mihira?
Yes, we've tried various approaches, but he's still having difficulty. I'm wondering if there might be an underlying issue affecting his recovery.
Perhaps we should consult with a neurologist to rule out any neurological factors. Sometimes, underlying conditions can hinder rehabilitation progress.
That's a good idea. I'll schedule a referral. In the meantime, we could try incorporating occupational therapy techniques to address any functional limitations.
That's a great suggestion. Occupational therapy can help with activities of daily living and improve overall independence.
We should also consider the patient's motivation and emotional state. Sometimes, psychological factors can impact rehabilitation outcomes.
Absolutely, Mihira. We can involve a social worker to provide emotional support and address any underlying issues. Mihira, I understand that receiving advice for lifestyle changes can feel overwhelming, especially when you're already managing difficult symptoms. Please know that this guidance comes from a place of wanting to support you in finding more comfort and control in your daily life. The goal isn't to create a rigid set of rules, but to gently guide your body towards a state of greater calm and resilience. The core idea is to minimize the things that can provoke your symptoms, such as stress, smoking, or certain foods, while actively nourishing your well-being. Think of it as creating a personal sanctuary for your body and mind. To manage this, we can focus on two supportive paths. First, consider the foundation of a nutritious diet and staying well hydrated. This isn't about deprivation, but about choosing foods that truly fuel and soothe your body, giving it the strength it needs. Drinking plenty of water is a simple yet powerful act of kindness for your entire system. Secondly, and just as importantly, is learning to manage stress. This involves building moments of quiet into your day through relaxation or mindfulness techniques. Even a few minutes of focused breathing or a gentle walk can signal to your nervous system that it is safe to relax, which can significantly reduce the intensity and frequency of symptoms. This is a journey of gentle exploration, not perfection. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you discover what unique combination of strategies brings you the most peace and relief.